Hi everyone, in this video I will be teaching you how to fix videos not playing on Reddit. So let's begin. The very first option is to make sure first that your Reddit app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Reddit, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. And then you should try opening Reddit once again and watch that video. If it still doesn't work, then you should go ahead on Safari or Google Chrome and search for speed test on Google. So once you're in Google and you search for speed test, then click on run speed test right here. And then you should have a working and stable internet connection like this one. So now once you have checked your internet connection and then it's going fine, then you should go back to Google and search for is Reddit down. So go to this downdetector.ph or .com, whatever it is available. Then click on it, and then right here you may be able to see the list or the reports that have been um, reported to Reddit. So if you can see a high number of reports, then that means that Reddit is out or down. So your video that you're trying to watch, it will not work. So now, once you have done all of these steps and then it still doesn't work, then go to your settings now and go to, let's go back first. Let's go to general, go to iPhone storage and look for Reddit right here. So click on Reddit, click on offload app, click on offload app once again, and then reinstall it once it is done loading. So click and reinstall app, and then that's it. That's how you can fix videos not playing on Reddit.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.